Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Michael Introvertolo, and I am the Marketing Manager over here at Solution Systems, Inc. And today we're going to be discussing more Microsoft Dynamics NAV FAQs. This is part 4. So the first one is, what is the programming language in Dynamics NAV? C/AL is the programming language in Dynamics NAV. C/AL stands for Client/Server Application of Language, and it resembles the Pascal language. What kind of permissions come with Dynamics NAV? Dynamics NAV comes with object level permissions. You can set up what objects each user has access to, and specifically if the data can be inserted, modified, or deleted. If you want to control permissions down to a field level, then you need to get an add-on for this or develop something yourself. The same goes with if you want to control what user is allowed to post on the GL account, location code, item, bin, etc. How are the users in the license counted? The Dynamics NAV license users are concurrent users, meaning that you can have as many named users as you want, but the license only allows a certain number of them to be connected at the same time. So if you purchase 10 NAV license users, you can only have 10 people on at most at the same time. Can I undo a purchase receipt? Yes. NAV has an undo receipt function. You can only undo a receipt if it has not been invoiced yet. Once it has been invoiced, you cannot undo it. Neither can you undo a receipt that has no item charge posted against it. Is it possible to create a sales quote without having a customer? Yes. Dynamics NAV allows you to create sales quotes without first creating a customer. You need a contact though, and once the quote is converted to an order, NAV can create a customer record based on the contact's information. Does Dynamics NAV handle multicurrency? Yes. In fact, Dynamics NAV is very strong in its multicurrency. It is originally Danish software born at a time where all the countries in Europe had their own currencies. So it should be pretty good at this. How do I activate or deactivate item tracking? This is one through the item tracking code field on the item card. If an item has transactions, you cannot change from an item tracking code with tracking to an item tracking code that has been set up with different tracking or no tracking at all. The workaround is to change NAV so that it allows you to change this field if all the item ledger entries are closed. Can an item be deleted? Yes. An item can be deleted as long as it is not used anywhere. As with customers and vendors, transactions can exist, but they have to be in prior fiscal years and completely adjusted and closed. When deleting an item with transactions, the transaction gets a blank item number. It's basically not recommended to delete items with transactions though. Do I need a routing for production orders? No. You can use production orders without routings. How do I reverse posted consumption? You can reverse consumption by posting a negative consumption through the production or consumption journal. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, my contact info is on the screen. Please do not hesitate to contact me. Thank you for joining.